In today's video, I'll show you how to change the background color in Weebly quickly and easily. Whether you want a fresh modern look or you're updating a specific section, Weebly makes customization simple. Let's get started. Open your web browser and head to the official Weebly website. Once you're on the home page, sign into your account. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. This is where you manage everything. Click on Website, then select Edit Site to enter the Weebly Site Editor. Inside the editor, choose the section you want to customize. You can edit the header, content area, or footer. Just click the section and you'll see an Edit Background option appear. Click it. Weebly will show you several background options such as image, color, gradient, and video. Since we're changing the color, select color. You'll see a color picker where you can choose any shade you like. Drag the selector to explore colors or type in a hex code if you want a perfect match to your brand. Once you find the right color, click preview to see how it looks on the live version of your site. If everything looks good, hit publish to make the change visible to your audience. And that's it! You've successfully changed your background color in Weebly. Feel free to experiment with different sections and color combinations to create a clean, cohesive design. Happy building!